guest of today's function, Professor Niranjan N. Chiplunkar, Principal, NMAM Institute of Technology, NITTE, has arrived. He is being accompanied by Honorable Chairman Sir, trustee members, and other dignitaries. I request you all to greet them with a huge round of applause. As a mark of gratitude and respect, I request all the dignitaries to pay a floral tribute to late Shri Monappa Shetty and late Shri Gulabi Shetty, the parents of our Honorable Chairman Sir, who are the real source of inspiration for all of us. Please be seated. Here we present you an energetic musical performance by our GM Band and Chande Troupe. Thank you, students, for their dazzling performance. Education is not acquisition of knowledge. Education is the formation of character. A very good afternoon to all of you on the occasion of 19th Annual Day celebration of GM Vidyaniketan Public School. I extend a happy welcome to all the dignitaries, invited guests, parents, well-wishers, and to all the members of GM family. With all your love and support, GM has reached yet another milestone in its journey towards excellence. Annual Day is the most awaited day of the year. It's a day of happiness, togetherness, celebration, feast, and festivity. We continue the legacy of celebrating this day with you. Thank you for giving us your prize time. We'll begin this auspicious program with Guru Vandana. Guru Vandana means reverence for the teacher. It's an expression of love and gratitude towards one's Guru. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. ಗುರು ಎಂದರೆ ಕೇವಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನದೆಡೆಗೆ, ಅಂಧಕಾರದಿಂದ ಬೆಳಕಿನೆಡೆಗೆ, ಭಯದಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಭಯದೆಡೆಗೆ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುವ ಮಹಾನ್ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಹರ ಮುನಿದರು ಗುರು ಕಾಯುವನು, ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಗುರು ಇರಲಿ. ಈ ಸಾಲುಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುವಿನ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಯುಗ ಯುಗಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುರುವಿನ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದವರು ದೈವೀ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಗುರುವಿನ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವಿಲ್ಲದವರು ದುಷ್ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ದುಷ್ಟಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸಿ ಆತ್ಮಾಂಧಕಾರವನ್ನು ನೀಗಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮಂತರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು, ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ, ಸಂಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಸಮಾನತೆಯ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗುವ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸದಾ ಚಿರಋಣಿಗಳು. ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾತಸ್ಮರಣೀಯರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವ ತನಕ ದೊರೆಯದಣ್ಣ ಮುಕುತಿ ಎಂಬ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರ ಕವಿವಾಣಿಯಂತೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾತಿ, ಧರ್ಮ, ಪಂಥಗಳನ್ನು ಮರೆತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವ, ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ನಮಿಸುವ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈಗ ಗುರುವಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
सचराचरम् तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्रीमयं व्यापि यत्सर्वम् त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरम् तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. चैतन्य शाश्वतो शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. अनेक जन्म सम्प्राप्तः कर्मबन्ध विदाहिने जगन्नाथः मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः गुरुरादिरनादिश्च गुरु परमदैवतम् गुरु परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः
The in-charge teacher of this event is Mr. Vaigal Oliver Jones.
GM Vidyaniketan Public School, shaping minds of the future. Founded in 2005 under the aegis of GM Education Trust, we are affiliated to the CBSE Board, New Delhi. We house over 3,000 students and 300 staff at our institution. Well-equipped classrooms with digital learning facilities, a highly dedicated and experienced faculty team, state-of-the-art learning facilities, and hosts of engaging co-curricular activities are designed to allow our children to unlock their hidden potential. We strive to inculcate the spirit of sportsmanship and perseverance in every child. A diligent sports curriculum involves a variety of indoor and outdoor games. GM Vidyaniketan Public School. Children of today, world citizens of tomorrow.
GM Global School, an eco-friendly CBSE residential school located at Brahmavar, offers air-conditioned smart classrooms with highly qualified teachers. Our tennis and basketball courts, badminton and football fields, and swimming pool with slides keep young minds active physically and mentally. We offer the best hostel facilities and round-the-clock teacher supervision with separate AC and non-AC rooms, a modern kitchen and a dining area. The stay of your children is safe, comfortable and secure with us. GM Global School. Lessons attended with diligence, knowledge with ardor.
नाम नरस्य रूपमधिकम् प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनम् विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरुणां गुरु। विद्या मनुष्य का सही स्वरूप है,
वो अदृश्य गुप्त धन है।
विद्या सुखदा है, यशदा है।
विद्या गुरुओं के भी गुरु है।
चंदन सी आदर,
कुमकुम सी आस्था,
पुष्पों सा प्रेम
और शब्दों का समर्थन लेकर
सर्वप्रथम माँ सरस्वती को नमन करते हैं और आप सभी को प्रणाम करते हैं। From humble beginnings to remarkable achievements, our GM's journey is a testament to the power of determination and hard work.
Like a mighty oak, this temple of learning has grown from a small sapling to a towering symbol of knowledge and excellence.
The growth of our esteemed institution is a beacon of hope, guiding students towards a brighter future and a world of possibilities.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, guests, dignitaries and parents.
In the spirit of togetherness, let's mark this 19th annual day with the promise of brighter tomorrow and cherished memories.
Annual Day is a time to shine a spotlight on our achievements, dreams, and limitless potentials that lie within each of us.
GM is the institution which unlocks the doors of potential within us.
We at GM believe in celebrating life every day. Academics, dance, drama, art, karate, and whatnot. We allow vision, which gives the right stuff to turn our dreams into reality.
You pick any field. GMites are sure to shine in all the areas. GM is the ideal foundation for great accomplishments.
Yes, this crowd's encouragement and motivation is what GM's success is, which takes us to the pinnacle of glory and victory.
I, Shivam Bangera,
And I, Adya J. Shetty, will be your host for the upcoming events. We believe in hard work
dedication,
and creating history with every work
every action.
and every possibilities.
Once again, we heartily welcome you all to the 19th Annual Day celebrations. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the much awaited day of the year and get inspired and celebrate with us.
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, meaning the journey from darkness to light is well represented when the core message behind lighting of diyas is understood.
Fire of lamp purifies the surrounding air. They create a pure, nourishing and healing atmosphere.
The light from the lamp destroys ignorance, brings health, wealth, and prosperity, and bestows us with knowledge.
To make this day a blessed one, let us invoke the goddess of wisdom by lighting a lamp of knowledge.
I now request our respected chief guest, Professor Niranjan N. Chuplanka, to kindly come forward and light the lamp.
I request our principal to escort the dignitaries to the dais. I request all the dignitaries to join.
दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वम् ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वम् ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठेत् गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते।
May these lamps light remind us of our collective commitment to knowledge, harmony, and progress. Dear audience, on this glorious day, we cherish the memories of three lovely departed souls from our GM family. Our founder principal, Mr. N.S. Adiga, our beloved student, Master Asim Muhammad Noor, and our driver, Mr. Prakash Nayak. Let us all pay tribute to these kind souls by observing a minute of silent prayer. May I kindly request everyone to rise for the same. Thank you, everyone. Please be seated. Let these kind souls rest in eternal peace.